Hello everybody. Today I am going to say how to print the pattern which is showing on the board. I just represented with the row numbers, that is of 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now let us see that how to represent the rows. I have told that you need to use the variable as I. Then need to represent the stars with the variable as a j. Then from rows to star the lines will be, for first row we are having a 5 stars, and in second row it is a 4 stars, and in third row it is of 3 stars, and in fourth row it is of 2 stars, and finally in fifth row we are having only one and only one star. Now let us see at the condition. In our previous class what I told, j value is less than or equals to I, but here how the condition is, the values of j are in a reverse order, that means from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what I need to use, I am going to use it 5 minus I plus 1, that is, in place of I am going to represent the numbers as the rows numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the first row let us see that 5 minus I plus 1, that means in place of I, if I represent 1, so here 5 minus 1 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, what is the answer, it is a 5, so the stars will be remain as 5. Then for the next thing, 5 minus I plus 1, that is 5 minus a 2, it is of a 3 plus 1 is a 4, and remaining will be the same. In place of I, you are going to keep the value as the row number which you have got there. Now let us see how to write the program for it. It's very simple because already you know that ith loop, that means for I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 5, because here you are consist of only 5 rows, and you need to increment row by row, that is I plus plus. And for j, let me show it. So here this is the code. What I told, for I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, and I plus plus. So what you are going to print there, you are going to print the space and the cursor is moving to the next line. So I just printed it, system dot out dot print ln, at last only two braces. And for j, the stars are starting from 1, and the condition is j less than or equals to 5 minus I plus 1. If the number of stars are of 5, then you are going to print that many stars in the first row. And j plus plus means again the j value is going to increment, and then you are going to print the star. If you write there system.out.println, then the stars are going to print line by line, that means row by row. So there you need to write only print. So after that you will exactly get the same output. Let me show what I have executed. So this is the code where I have executed in online Java beta, and here I wrote the same code whatever I have shown you and told you. See, we got the exactly same output. So this is our code, and this is the output whatever we got. So already as told in previous program, in place of 5 you can able to give any variable as m or n, and you can able to initialize the value at the first stage, that is at int place. You need to initialize the integer for its value. I think you all have understood this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.